Hi, my name is Gary Riway, and I'm the instructor of this course. I work as a penetration tester since 7 years now, and I try to put my experience into courses such as this one to help people learn faster than I did. In this course, we're going to focus on exploiting Windows machines. This course is about pen testing Windows machines, so we will learn how to attack and exploit Windows machines specifically. We'll go through the typical phases of a penetration test, so we'll start with the reconnaissance to gather as much information as we can, and basically by that define the attack surface. Then we go into exploitation, where we are going to look for and exploit vulnerabilities. Then we go into post-exploitations, which is mostly about collecting data that has value for you and maximizing your privileges on that machine. And last but not least, we'll talk about propagation. So after having a foothold in one machine, how to propagate into the network and exploit other machines in that network. We will use Kali machine as our attacking machine, and I will introduce you quite a few tools during the course. Sometimes the capabilities of these tools will overlap, which means that you can do the same thing with different tools, but instead of focusing only on one tool, such as Metasploit, I thought it's much better to get to know more tools so that your arsenal won't be limited to only one tool. All exercises are hands-on, so you're expected to do the exercises yourself. I've done quite a lot of trainings in my life, live and online, so I can tell you that without actually practicing what you learn, it's not really going to stick. This is really practical training, so I encourage you to try everything yourself. By only watching the video, you will have the illusion that you learned something, but the actual learning happens when you do the exercises. With that said, we're almost ready to set up our test environment, but first I will have to give you the compulsory disclaimer for every ethical hacking training. So welcome again, and I will see you in the next lecture. Happy hacking!